If export is not working in Otter.ai, yeah, that can stop you from downloading your notes or transcripts. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, check your internet connection, because exporting files requires a stable connection. Next, try exporting again. Sometimes the process just fails the first time. Now check your export format. Make sure you select a supported option like text, PDF, or audio. Restart the app. Yeah, this can fix temporary export glitches. Make sure you're using the latest version of Otter.ai. Updates often fix export bugs. Finally, check your account limits. Yeah, some export features may be restricted based on your plan. And that's it. These steps should fix most export issues in Otter.ai. If this helped, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.